To receive and save logs, you must connect your devices to MELAtrace. To establish a new device connection, please click on the Connections tab and start the device configuration via the plus button. Now, select the device to be set up and confirm your selection. First, please assign a device name. If you use an FTP server to receive device protocols, select FTP/other and enter the serial number of the device. If the device is on your practice network, select TCP/IP and enter the IP address, as well as the port of the device. We recommend you select Connect Automatically so that a connection between your device and MELAtrace is automatically established each time the software starts. As a last step, please select the storage directory where the device logs will be stored. By clicking on Connect, you complete your configuration and establish a connection to your device. A successful establishment and an active connection are indicated by the green status icon on the device tile. A red status icon means that there's no active connection and no logs are being received. To change your configuration subsequently, first disconnect your connection, then make changes and reconnect the device.